guys, today we are going to make coffee nankhatai on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of basin or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of suji or semolina, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 cup of powdered sugar, confectionery sugar, icing sugar, half a cup of melted ghee, 1 egg, and milk required. So firstly we're going to add in our powdered sugar to a bowl. We're also going to add in melted ghee to our powdered sugar. And now combine and whisk it together. So we're just going to put our egg whites in and leave our egg yolks, and we'll show you after what we'll do with the egg yolk. Make sure you save it for later. So whisk it very well for a minute. Now we're also going to sieve in our flour to make sure there are no lumps. Our basin or gram flour as well. Baking powder. And sieve in. Now we're putting in our coffee. This is where it gets his coffee nankhatai name. And our cardamom powder for some extra flavour and smell. And our semolina. And we're going to combine all these ingredients together. To make it into a dough, we're going to have to add some milk. Add a tiny bit of milk first, and then combine until you get a nice dough. So we're just covering the tray with tin foil so it doesn't stick, or you could use a baking sheet or non-stick spray. Now grease your hand with a little bit of ghee so it's easier to handle the dough with, and get a bit of your mixture, your dough, and roll it up in the palm of your hands and make sure there are no cracks, and place on the tray. Make sure you place them a bit spaced out because they are going to rise. Make sure you have preheated your oven 20 minutes before. Now we're going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. But before that, we're going to egg wash them with our egg yolk that we left earlier. We're going to add over the leftover milk, not a lot, to our egg yolk and mix it together. And now with a brush, we're going to egg wash them on top. Now an optional decorating idea is sprinkling some coffee on top on each one for a little bit of effect and decoration. And also on top of that, we're going to sprinkle some icing sugar. And now finally putting them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. So our coffee nankhatai biscuits have baked. We're going to take them out and put it on a cooling down rack. And we're just going to let it cool down completely. The colour on top looks dark. It's not burnt. It's because of the coffee that we added on top. Makes that darker colour. So here we have our delicious and tasty coffee nankhatai or coffee biscuits. It's very easy to make. So please like and subscribe for more new videos, and come back to see our other videos. Thanks, bye.